Good morning, teacher, and my dear friends. My name is Aditri Chaurasia. I study in class 1st B. Today is 31st October, and we are celebrating National Unity Day. Everyone is different. No one is same. We all have different backgrounds. We all have different names. But we all are equal. We all are same inside. No matter the color of your skin, no matter the language we speak. The earth is but one country, even when society is weak. Unity and diversity, it isn't hard to see. There is one thing we must believe in, and that thing is equality. Thank you and have a nice day.